Yeah, man, Ray, welcome. Hey, this is Carkloof 100, and we are, I think, about 5 hours off the start time.
Welcome. We want to see at least 75 of those 100-miler buckles handed out. So I hope you guys are up to the challenge. In between all that, remember your hashtag.
There are the final few that Ray needs to take to complete Carkloof 100. Well done, man. Put it there, buddy. Whatever's left of it, man. Congratulations. Thank you, man. Sweet. No problem. Finish a mug on the line, but we're going to have to wait till 9 o'clock before we do your buckle. Okay. Ready? Can you come collect the chair here? Yeah.